On October 12, NASA is sending off another mission named MIND to investigate the Space Rock 16 MIND on SpaceX's Bird of Prey weighty rocket from Kennedy Space Center. NASA has had a well-established revenue in comets and space rocks since researchers accept they hold verifiable records of the early universe and even the way in which life came to be on the planet. Over 20 years prior, it sent off a mission to gather comet dust from space, and only 2 days from now, for example on October 12, the office is sending off another mission named MIND to investigate a metal-rich space rock. More on the MIND mission ahead. As we draw nearer to the MIND mission's send-off, let us investigate the intriguing and aggressive history of NASA with space rocks and comets. The Psyche mission, the MIND mission, is planned to send off at 7:46 p.m. IST on October 12 on SpaceX's Bird of Prey weighty rocket from the Kennedy Space Center toward the Space Rock 16 MIND. This space rock, researchers accept, is a remnant of an early planet center which got besieged by different items and got stripped out of the external hull. Space Rock 16 MIND. Picture, NASA, since Earth's center is excessively profound deep down, investigating MIND is moderately simpler, and it could reveal more insight into the beginning of the planetary group, the Earth, and different planets. Worked at an expense of $1 billion, the mission will arrive at the space rock subsequent to voyaging 3.6 billion kilometers around July 2029 and start investigation in August. Mission Stardust. The Stardust mission was sent off on February 7, 1999, from Cape Canaveral in Florida, and it gathered dust from Comet Wild 2 between February to May 2000. Containing a 254-kilogram space apparatus, it dropped an example return container gauging the interstellar particles at the U.S. Aviation-based Armed Forces test and preparing reach in Utah. NASA says that the container had north of 10,000 particles bigger than 1 micrometer, and it comprised of many natural mixtures, including a few particles as old as the planetary group itself. In the wake of conveying the container, the space apparatus was given a mission expansion to investigate Comet Tempel 1. The mission finished after the rocket depleted its fuel in WAC 2011. osiris-rex mission. The osiris-rex mission, short for Starting Points, Unearthly Understanding, Asset ID, and Security Regolith Wayfarer, was sent off on September 8, 2016, and the mission closed as of late as September 24. NASA followed a comparable arrangement as Stardust. The space apparatus gathered up 250 grams test of the 500 broad space rock Bennu in 2022 and dropped the example case at the U.S. Flying Corps test and preparing reach in Utah. Once more, the space apparatus' central goal has been broadened, and it is right now en route to the space rock Apophis. In the meantime, NASA is caught up with looking at the examples brought from Bennu, and the organization has planned a question and answer session to uncover the discoveries and the pictures of the example on October 11. Presumably the coolest space rock mission to date, the Dark Means twofold space rock redirection test mission saw a shuttle smash into a space rock moonlet last September. It had a target to exhibit an innovation that could redirect the direction of a space rock, assuming one at any point comes rushing toward Earth from here on out. The DART shuttle, the typical size of a fridge, crashed into 160 expansive dimorphos which circles a bigger space rock Didymos. NASA saw that the determined crash switched dimorphos circle up Didymos by roughly 30 minutes, and the mission was pronounced a triumph. The mission was sent off on November 24, 2022 and closed with a beat on September 27. NASA launch one-by-one mission continuously to explore the space and world. Eyes on Psyche mission nowadays. Let's hope to mission will successful. Okay guys, this is today's video. Goodbye, take care.